I still think that we have to, one of these videos, we're going to have to kind of sit down and explain what it is we do. Because, no, we're just kind of like ramming videos out, but we need to explain to everybody what it is we do, who we are, and kind of what we're about. You got me a taco? Nice, for once.
Just one?
Just once.
There's two, I think.
What kind of taco?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nah, he wanted a country sausage.
Country sauce, bean and cheese, right?
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
Look at Adam's. Adam's Lunchable.
Why is Adam's hat always like that?
This is the way I work, man.
We're trying to take a different approach to the videos. Christian's going to be a little bit more active in talking, which is going to get annoying, but
I'm not that good at talking.
not that great at talking. Sounds like a 13-year-old.
I just never grew up.
I'll wait till we leave in the store.
Got him.
In the store. That would be cool to put in a video, like that dude that says "got him." What? Oh, it covers everything. Oh, paint covers everything. What? Is that?
That's a cat.
That's a cat.
If it busted up, if it busted,
That's a cat.
oh, you should have let it bust.
That's a cat.
That's not a catch. No,
No.
you put it in my. You put it in.
Leave it in the comments. It's a catch or not.
It's no. You put it.
And
in
if
we get
one person that says yes.
catch, you have to check. Come and check one.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Enrique, I'm counting on you.
Yes. You ready? Are you gonna call it?
Yeah. Go.
All right. Ready? You ready?
Wait, come over here. Call
Remember,
it. Call
if
it.
you win, you just shotgun that.
All right.
All right. Ready?
Heads.
I got this fucking kids.
Oh, I can't cuss
Kids. 160 milligrams of caffeine, guys. Just straight to the blood.
You can go to court.
Unless you want to go to court,
Uh,
you gotta talk to the judge.
no, I don't want to take 4 Doc Holiday shots. No, I'd rather just take
So
one.
remember, when he's done with this, when we get liquor, he's got to do a Doc
They
Holiday.
have liquor already. I'm not gonna do it right now though. Fuck that. Wait till after
You
work.
have to go to court.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait till after work. All right.
This is how big it is, George?
What, the Doc Holiday?
No, this.
Oh, they said it was a 20 by 20.
It's not that bad.
No.
I'm gonna finish it. Hold on. Oh,
You got 5 seconds, Adam. There you go. There you
I
go.
have to go to Edwin.
You ready to make a difference?
I'm not.
What kind of difference?
Difference to society, right? And what we could do, that way people understand the whole purpose of the Good Night Adam. I have clips of that night.
Oh man. Please don't.
Well, we're gonna add him into this
We're
video.
getting Adam
We're-
into this
Can
video.
someone hold this? Put pressure on it. That is. Real quick.
You want me to show you?
It's too cold.
You're gonna,
So what are you gonna do in the truck?
you're gonna cut it like that?
My business?
Your business.
I left the thing that's on that. I get stuck.
He told you.
Okay, so we're gonna start another cover here. It's gonna be a 6-post. We got 2 spots to anchor in some plates. Start our first corner post there. I showed you where that 3rd post was gonna go.
Between the.
Yeah, so we need to measure that out, divide the distance, put our plate there on the ground, and then we're coming out 19.8. I don't want to go to full 20. So 19 something this way. That way we got some stock guys. We'll put run a straight line and square it out, and then mark our holes. Drill these 3. We do have to watch it because there is 3 lines that come. 3 electrical lines. There's a sewage line, a water line. So we need to find the post hole digger. I believe it's in there underneath the bottom.
Yeah,
The blue
one
one.
in the back.
Should be in there. So let's get that first plate because that's going to be our starting point. Get that one on. We can go ahead and weld that one up and run our lines off of that.
no.
Break. Break.
Let's go break something.
Break. Break. Big hammer drill.
Yeah, I'll get it.
We can pre-drill. It's a little rocky. Not that string line. We need the white string line.
So we have thousands of dollars worth of tools and a piece of shit string line.
You gotta use the weight of the hammer to bring it back up, right?
That was almost a kneecap shoot.
Okay. We have to shut down on this ranch at noon tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
They don't think we'll have this done by then.
Who's they?
You.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't think we will. I know we can. If we can, subtract the screw ups, subtract the talking, the distractions.
So why did we bring Adam?
Entertainment, content. Okay. So
What's the deal?
we get this done by tomorrow noon. Y'all are spoiled though. Y'all are spoiled because if I say I'll give you each an extra $50, you're gonna be like,
50 bucks.
50.
You know how much we did?
Or I can give you y'all's presents tomorrow. So
Hold on. So we're getting presents regardless.
Yeah.
And whether we finish this or not, it doesn't matter. It's not like we have to.
no, you have to
Why?
because you have to. It's got to get done. I
It's a
say so.
deadline.
It's got to get done. Deadline.
2 days. So if you say it's a deadline and we have to, so what's the incentive of fucking giving $50?
If we don't finish this, we go the good way or the bad way. I offered $50, so we can go for the bad way.
That's fucked. The bad way is just the present. That's it.
No, the bad thing is I'm gonna get so stressed out that it's not gonna get finished. So I'm gonna say, you know what? I'm gonna take my family on a vacation for all next week. We're not gonna do nothing next week.
Okay.
So we don't get to work.
So where are you going?
So we need an incentive, is what you're saying. A better incentive.
Yes.
Which would be what? Spitball some ideas.
I have zero incentive right now. I'm not even getting the present.
You don't do anything.
Okay,
It just stands there.
that's not going in.
I'm gonna edit that out. Oh gosh. Okay, $100 each. That's an incentive, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get into it, guys. Adam, just start the batteries.
That's all you're doing.
Adam, pushers.
That's right. That way towards push.
More. Right there. More. Hold on. More. Right there. Go ahead. Another 9-footer.
Okay, we got our starting point. You wanna see something cool? Makes it fun. Here's a pipe right there. And there's a pipe right there. See it?
So now what, boss man?
Keep going. And
I don't want to dig holes anymore, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad.
no, he said, I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
Whatever.
Right there. Oh! So we're going the lazy way. We don't have our cement mixer here right now.
Well, this is technically.
This is technically a
Fill it
paint
up, you
mixer. But I mean mixer. You mix anything in it, right?
Fill it
Yeah,
up.
fill it up.
Go ahead.
a little bit at a time. I am.
You put one of those what's the name?
Honestly, worked a hell of a lot better than what I thought it would have.
It's only stupid if it don't work.
It's only stupid if it don't work, right? Can we make it? Get a piece of rebar, too, Adam. Stab it.
One by the truck. That's really cool down there.
Oh, do you want to rate those things in it?
You gotta guide it nice and gently where you need it to be.
Over there, Adam. Middle one.
Let go of the other one. On the poles, then we can get that one.
I get it now. Go down, Tatiana. Take it from my wallet.
No.
You see money, you automatically think it's yours. No, I know you. Give me a tattoo.
You got it everywhere. Hell yeah.
You got me pretty good on my pants. You want to see my cracker? Use 3 of those, cut them to whatever you need to be. I don't want to have to weld nothing together, so cut 3 new ones. Fuck them. Sorry. Cut 3 new ones, and then bring them over here. If you butt them all up together, measure the distance. I think I had it for 5 runners across. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Butt them all up. Mark all 3 of them with the squadras. Clip all of them. I'm sure we have some clips. Yeah.
Hold on, it's almost there. It's almost there. One more little cut.
Go that way a little bit. Right there. Now come straight. Hold it right there.
What?
Was it flush already over there?
Yeah. All right.
You're good to weld through.
Put it over the clip.
What do you mean?
Put it in a wrap.
Just push it.
Push it right?
Yeah.
We got faith in him.
So we're putting the purlin now. 5 purlins, 20 minutes. Let's get out of here. You must have this tool. It's a Makita. It's a go-to tool. We'll zoom in on this. Ready? It's a beauty. Your snack pack.
look good? Get the side. Ooh. That's it, I'm rolling. Yo. Oh yeah, right on. What do you want? Down, please. No English around here. They're speaking in Spanish.
I used to work with this guy like 5 years ago, probably longer. They called him La Tripa. And he had it all over his hard hat in his truck, and the windshield of his truck said La Tripa. Imagine having that nickname. Oh, smack that. Give me some. Why are you getting nervous? Why are you getting nervous there, Buttercup? He's like a huge Taylor Swift enthusiast, right? Enthusiast. Guys, this is David Torres from El Dorado, Texas.
Don't look him up.
Don't look him up.
It's fine.
So guys, that's the end of the video. We hope you like it. Our other videos will be a little bit more serious and more into detail about the work we actually do. So make sure you like, subscribe. Check out the hats on Instagram if you want to know how to get one.